By default, the booking calendar in PracticeQ is by the status of an appointment. So we can see most of these are green and confirmed. We do have one yellow one here that is yet to be confirmed, as well as our white extra time over here. However, if we click the options drop down on the right-hand side, we're greeted with a few different choices here. We can adjust our row height if you need the accessibility of having your rows larger or smaller. We can also change the color by location or by service. So if we hit service here, it's going to make it super colorful. You can adjust these colors as well by going into your booking settings, services. You can edit any service, and if you hit advanced, you're able to choose from a variety of colors to add that differentiation so you can easily look at your calendar and see what types of services you have booked. Some other options include the ability to hide your client names, which we have enabled here, so we just see some initials. You can hide blocked times, or you can add them back in. You can show the service name or remove it, so it just shows the client's initials. And you can also adjust the hours that you see on a calendar. I have it set just to when this clinic is open. However, you can adjust it so that you have all 24 hours in a day.